we'll guide you through how to make a flowchart in Word. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top of Word and go and click on Insert, and then come over to the right slightly and click on Smart Art. Then go down to Hierarchy and click on Organization Chart. I found this to be the best way to do it. So click OK and it'll then go and be added. And what you want to do is go and click on the arrow just to the left here with the design selected. It gives you more options. You can then go and delete what we've currently got here and we can get started. So for this first point, I like to go and put in start like so. And then for the second option, you can then go and put in your decision. For example, do you want food like so? Now go and press enter like so and then press tab. So the option then comes off of it. You could then have yes, for example, and then I'll press enter again. And I'll then have no as an option. And then what you want to do is add another of yes, for example, eat food. So I'll then press enter again, but then press tab. And the option then comes off yes. I could then type in eat food. And then I'd do for no, I'll click on it. I'll then press enter and tab again. I could then say don't eat food. I'll press enter and type in end. And where I put eat food, I'll click back there and I'll put another one in and put end, just like so. Select the shape by clicking on it and then right click it, and you can go and click on change shape, come down to flowchart and you can go and choose the shape you want to go and use. For example, I'll have start there. And then for the do you want food, I'll change that to a decision. So I'll right click on it, click on change shape, and then go and change it to decision like so. And you can also go and resize this as well. And yeah, you get the idea. You can change the shapes and you can then go and change these lines to arrows. So you can go and select them all just by holding control and then clicking on them all. Then go to the top and click on format, and you want to go and click on shape outline, go down to arrows and then choose an arrow you want, just like so. And that's it. That's just a quick example. You can do so much more with it.